In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and gracious. Respectable teachers, judges, and all my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I stand before you with a message. It resonates deep within our hearts. Let us change Pakistan. We are all witnesses to the vast potential of our beloved nation, but we are also aware of the challenges that hold us back from achieving greatness. Now is the time we come together to break the chains of stagnation and move forward with strong determination, unity, and hope. Pakistan is a country that has been built on the colossal sacrifices of millions of Muslims. From the vision of our founding leaders to the hard work of every citizen, we have a foundation that can inspire generations. But today, we must ask ourselves, is this the Pakistan that our forefathers dream of? Are we living up to the ideals of progress, justice, and equality? Today, we face numerous challenges like poverty, illiteracy, corruption, mismanagement, inequality, and above all, terrorism. Our entire system needs reforms. Our institutions need accountability. And most importantly, our mindsets need to evolve in the right direction. But let me remind you of one simple truth. Change begins with us. Respected sir, the time for complacency is over now. The time for excuses is gone. Pakistan needs change, and that change must begin with us. If we work together, if we believe in our potential, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Let us be inspired by our rich history. Let us rise above the challenges that have held us back and build a Pakistan that is prosperous, just, and united. A Pakistan that stands proud on the global stage. So, my dear fellow Pakistanis, let's take this pledge. We will change Pakistan. We will shape our future, and we will build a nation that our children and their children will be proud to call home. Mr. President, to change Pakistan, we need to focus on education. We need to focus on economic growth. We need to focus on infrastructure, social justice, and environmental sustainability. These pillars will lift our country out of poverty, illiteracy, mismanagement, inequality, and darkness. Education certainly brings change, but it takes time to educate a generation. On the other hand, a dynamic leadership, vibrant media, and a continuous democratic process takes less time to change the destiny of a nation. Let's search for new leaders that can bring change. Let's look for new faces who have the ability and capability to change Pakistan from top to bottom. Being a Pakistani, it is my duty to make efforts for the betterment of our beloved nation. If I am a student, I may work hard to get a sound grasp in my field. As a writer, I would always write well about my country. As an employee, I will always work honestly. And as a citizen, I will play my role to bring cooperation, unity, and harmony. Together, we can change Pakistan for the better. Together, we have the ability, we have the power to bring positive change and nurture an environment where innovation and growth can thrive. Mr. President, together, we can make Pakistan a progressive, prosperous, and a peaceful nation. I would like to end my speech with this motto, that together we can and we will make a difference. God bless Pakistan. Thank you all of you.